Hey guys, I know you hate getting videos in the middle of the work instead of at the very beginning of the introductory, but I needed both of my hands for most of this. So right now what I'm doing is a gas engine combustion leak. I'm checking for exhaust gases in this. Right now this is a Pacifica. Had random misfires, even from cylinder 5. And what I'm testing for is to see if it's possibly a cracked block or a head gasket leak. And let me show you what the fluid looked like in the beginning. So it was green. As you can see now, it's turned blue. Pretty much signifying there are issues with compression and there's a combustion leak. So may need to be towed down to check for a blown head gasket. Thank you for watching.